Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a seasoned professional, the best drawing tablet is the device that will bring your creative visions to life. Drawing tablets are useful tools for a range of creatives, from photographers retouching and editing images to animators and digital artists. There are 3 different kinds of tablets suitable for creative work: pen displays, pen tablets, and general use tablets. Graphic tablets and a vast majority of pen displays need to be plugged into a computer or laptop, so if you want a more portable device for your artwork, then one of the best tablets from the likes of Apple, Microsoft, and Samsung is likely to be a better option. Some such tablets feature in the list below, offering fewer drawing-specific features but greater portability and everyday uses. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best drawing tablets and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you. Choose the best one for you, and as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 6. One by Wacom, the perfect companion for junior creatives. Wacom is a dominant force in the drawing tablet market, producing a huge number of professional creative tools. Even if the likes of XP Pen and Zensalabs, as in our top picks in this guide, can clearly give Wacom a run for its money. And if you're after a truly affordable drawing tablet, you may want to consider One by Wacom, a screen-free pen tablet with plenty to recommend. One by Wacom comes in 2 sizes, small and medium. With the former option starting at just $50, it's a shockingly affordable way to get started as an early career creative and is clearly designed with teens and younger folk in mind. That means you're not getting the impressive specs of other models in this list, and certainly no screen to let you draw directly onto your creations. But for those happy to keep an eye on a separate screen, One by Wacom offers a great entry point to the drawing tablet market. As a small, compact model you won't feel worried about carrying around with you too, it's great for anyone partial to doing quick creative tasks on the go. And while the stylus's 2048 pressure levels are well below market standard, it still feels comfortable to use, and our reviewer called it a wonderful drawing experience, even if the offering here is little bare bones. No shortcut keys either. One by Wacom is a petite, portable pen tablet that offers an effective surface for creatives to work from, whether on the go or in situ in an office, at school, or at home. It's affordably priced yet well built, making it a great choice for students, entry-level creatives, and hobbyists who don't mind getting used to looking up at a screen while drawing on a surface. Number 5. Zensalabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. Unlike the pen displays in this guide, which come with built-in displays, the Zensalabs Pen Tablet is a conventional graphics tablet that needs to be used in conjunction with an external monitor, which makes it a better option for those concerned about the fragility of pen display screens, or those who want to keep to a tighter budget. In terms of what you'd want from a graphics tablet, it ticks all of the boxes, delivering a brilliant blend of sleek, robust design, portability, and power at a surprisingly reasonable price. The tablet is ergonomically designed with a comfortably curved front edge, which is more than can be said for many rival drawing tablets, and it nails one of the most crucial aspects of graphic tablet design with the texture of its surface, offering a decent level of resistance for a realistic and easy drawing experience. In addition to the tablet itself, the bundle comes with 2 battery-free styluses, which can be individually programmed and come packing 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels and a pen case. There's also a configurable quick key remote, which in itself is a unique feature that sets the Zensalabs Pen Tablet apart from rival devices. While the tablet is pretty lightweight and easy to carry, these separate elements do mean you have 2 extra components to account for. But it's a small price to pay for a comprehensive and high-quality setup. Number 4. iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1 2021. The best general use tablet, good for drawing and everyday use. Without a shadow of a doubt, the iPad Pro is the best general use tablet for drawing, and the most recent 12.9-inch M1 model is a real treat for artists, delivering plenty of power, a brilliant display, and wonderful canvas size. Plus, it's ultra portable, which is more than can be said for its competition. As mentioned earlier, all graphics tablets and most pen displays need to be plugged into external devices. While the iPad Air is lightweight and more affordable, the iPad Pro takes the lead with its brighter mini LED, Liquid Retina XDR, 12.9-inch screen. You can of course opt for the slightly smaller 11-inch iPad Pro model, but the display on that model isn't quite as impressive. Images refresh twice as fast as on many other tablets thanks to the iPad Pro's 120Hz refresh rate, meaning you have at your fingertips super fast, super responsive drawing potential. Add to this the impressive pressure sensitivity of the Apple Pencil 2, which must be bought separately, and the iPad Pro becomes a serious contender. The only thing missing is a tactile screen finish for that real pen-to-paper feel. But you can remedy this by investing in a paper-textured screen protector. Housing the M1 chip, the iPad Pro is easily the most powerful tablet for drawing and editing images. In addition, iPad OS is compatible with a whole host of creative apps, so you're much less limited than on other tablets. Number 3. Wacom Cintiq Pro 27. Pricey but truly designed for the professionals out there. Sometimes bigger is better, and the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 pen display fully commits to that logic. With a 27.9-inch Ultra HD display, it offers a truly roomy drawing area, with incredible sensitivity levels and multi-touch support for easy interfacing with either a stylus or finger. You're paying for the screen real estate, and the Pro 27 retails for roughly double its smaller Pro 16 counterpart, albeit with double the refresh rate, 120Hz versus 60Hz, greater color gamut, 30-bit versus 8-bit, and the opportunity to use its sizable screen as a full-on monitor for the laptop or PC you're connected to. But as a tablet geared firmly towards career professionals with the option to save yourself a separate monitor purpose, the price tag might just be worth it. Just keep in mind that a display of this size is more unwieldy than some other options in this guide. It can be uncomfortable to sit up close for this length of time, and the tablet is far too large to really benefit from a wrist support on your desk. Amateur and aspiring creatives, beware. Number 2. XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2, a mid-range drawing tablet with a top-notch stylus. XP Pen is one of industry giant Wacom's biggest competitors, offering more affordable tablets that still pack a punch for performance and design quality. That's nowhere clearer than with the X Pen Artist Pro 16 here in its second generation at a very respectable price point for its feature set. While not quite 4K, the 2560x 1600 pixel panel does ensure you get a good amount of detail above a standard full HD display, and precise brightness controls ensure you can calibrate it to best suit your environment. Several impressive accessories help to elevate this drawing tablet too, with a tactile key dial alongside a next-generation stylus with an unmatched 16,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. It doesn't feel much different from the 8092 levels seen in other leading tablets, but it's good to know the finer motions of your hand are being catered to, and the Artist Pro 16 is currently leading the market on this feature. The one disappointment is the fixed 19-degree angle for the integrated stand, given that the first-generation model did come with a more adjustable setup, but this is a small complaint in an otherwise brilliant drawing tablet. Number 1. Zensalabs Pen Display 24, the best drawing tablet overall. It's hard to say anything negative about the Zensalabs Pen Display 24, because it does so much, right? This is Zensalabs' first pen display drawing tablet, but you wouldn't know it to test it out. With a 24-inch 4K display, IPS panel, brilliant 330 nit brightness, extensive color reproduction, 99%, Adobe RGB, 93% DCI-P3, and 8,297 levels of pressure sensitivity in its included stylus, it makes for a capable, well-designed drawing tablet that can show off your creations at their best and help you make the most of them during the creative act. Yes, it's a large tablet and one you won't be lugging around cafes in a tote bag anytime soon. But for a dedicated drawing tablet to sit on your desk, it's hard to beat the Zensalabs Pen Display 24. The build quality is excellent, with integrated touch keys and a built-in stand to help you angle the display to your requirements. The Quick Key remote, too, with its OLED display and ability to bolt onto the edge of the tablet, ensures that your experience of using the Pen Display 24 is as sleek as possible.